And special thanks to our friends over at Dream Pairs Shoes who were nice enough to send us these double black suede size 8 shoes. A little look around the box, and inside of it is a little Dream Pairs pamphlet. Very nice. And then cardboard. 2 of these black Dream Pairs shoes. So they do have a nice suede, like velour soft filling, but nice heel on them. The bottom looks nice and grippy. And there's also, it's out of their other labeled little bag here. So for the box, the second shoe. So got the foam and everything. You can see Dream Pair size 8 down bottom. And then you can see the zipper, undo the zipper. It makes it easier to get your foot in. So of course, I'm gonna have my wife try on these shoes and show you what they look like right here. All right, so these are the Dream Pairs wedges. Very, very nice. Nice and easy to put on with the zipper. And you get a little bit of a heel there, but it's a lot more walkable, it seems. Absolutely love these. What do you think, babe?
Oh, they're cozy, and I can walk in wedges much better.
Nice. Thanks again to Dream Pairs, who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.